Alright guys, today you are going to be looking at pressure and temperature. Now this is the tray you're going to have. You're going to have another one as well. So in this tray you should have the calculator, the Datalogger, one piece of wire, the sensor, the syringe, and then you're also going to have the adapter for power. And then in a different one you're going to have 3 beakers. Now in one beaker you're going to have ice in it, so get the ice from your teacher. And the other one you're going to fill it with tap water. And in the third one you're going to have at least 20% tap water, and the rest we're going to cover this with hot water. So water should be boiling as well. Now each one got thermometer in it, so make sure that you put the thermometer in it before you set up everything, so this way you measure the temperature of these 3 guys. Now I'm going to show you how to set this up to connect these things together. Okay? Right. Okay. So we're going to connect these guys together. So you get the adapter, put it into the mains. So this one here goes into the Datalogger. So this goes here, so in it, all done. And then we take these guys, put them on each other. So we're going to take this one. This goes in here, and this one goes on this side here. Okay, so we're connecting it. So Datalogger is connected. Now we need to connect the sensor. This sensor here. Okay. Now if you hear the music, it means everything's good. So take this one here and connect it to one of the channels. So you see on this side you've got 4 channels. Doesn't matter. Connect it to 1. So in this case I'll connect it to number 2. Okay, doesn't matter. All right. So once these are connected on this one here, again, nice music. So everything's working so far. Now your syringe, what you're going to do is you need to pull the syringe until you get to 5 here. So 5, here we go. We're just going to be looking at the inside piston here, so 5. So therefore we have some volume of gas here. That's 5. Take the tube, connect it to the sensor again, make sure it's tight. There we go. All done. It's connected now. Now we need to make sure that this guy is working properly. So what we're going to do is we're going to press on. I think it's on already. Let's press on just to be safe. On. And there's a little purple button here. The little purple button here. The little purple button here. Okay, this one here called apps. You press on it and you see 3 settings. 1, 2, 3. And we need to press number 3 here. Press number 3. Here we go. Now if everything works, you'll have the channel. Oh, here it's detecting new sensor. You just say new, and see it's going to check this one. Just waiting. So normally it should just work straight away. Here we go. So we have channel 2 connected, and the pressure is working. So here is measuring the pressure inside this chamber here, inside the tube. Okay. So here we go. So now it's working. So what's next? Alright, so once everything's set up, we need to measure the temperature of these guys here to know what they are. So this is tap water. So give it a little swirl, and this here should be roughly, so in this case roughly 25 degrees water. This one is ice. Again, check the temperature. So it should be cold. This one is roughly -4. That's good. And this one we're going to fill this with hot water, so don't worry. Now we need to submerge our syringe in the ice. We need to find a way to put this into the ice. I'm going to show you that. Okay, so what we've done, we've placed the syringe in the tube, in the beaker, and then we'll place the ice over there. And now what you want to do is you want to wait a few, let's say 1 minute or 2 minutes, so that this way the gas is going to lose some of the temperature, lose some of this energy. Alright, so it's been 2 minutes. You look at your pressure sensor here, it tells you 98, so record that, make sure that we record this in the table, and then you check the temperature. The temperature you see here is -4, so write it down -4, and then you'll be ready to move the syringe, take the syringe out, place it in this one now. Okay, so once you're ready, we move the piston into the syringe, we'll move the syringe into the tap water one. Again, we give it 2 minutes, so this way the temperature would have gone up, so we're going to see what happened. Now for here, you need to be careful. You need to press on the side of the syringe, this way the syringe stays in the water. Otherwise, if you let it go, it's going to start floating a little bit. So you can have someone in your team help you do that for 2 minutes. Okay, so once you've done the tap water, you record it and then you put boiling water in it. Again, just remember 80% tap water and the rest is hot water. Now be careful there because you're holding it, so you want your hand to get burned. Again, so just wait there for a few minutes and then record the temperature, record the pressure and the temperature. So you'll see, so the pressure should start going up soon enough. All right. Now, when you are putting the syringe in the hot water, you need to be careful because what's going to happen is energy is going to be transferred to the gas, so the gas is going to get heated up and it's going to expand, so it's going to increase in volume. So what you want to do, you want to keep pressing this a little bit so that the volume stays at 5. So this way you're going to have the proper reading. So you see now we're going at 110, 111. You want to keep pressing it a little bit, not too much force. So this way your syringe stays at 5. Otherwise, the gas is going to expand. The volume is going to get big. We don't want that to happen. So make sure that you press it a little bit. So this way we're getting a nice volume, nice pressure here. Okay, this means it's working. Okay, so temperature goes up, hot water. You press it to make sure that the volume of the gas stays the same, and pressure goes up. Okay, 112.